Hello, my friends. How are you? Hope you all will be good and happy. Today, I came up with the new series of my videos, which will help you to pass your driving exam in your first attempt. And this video is about module number 1. So let's start. The agenda of my video is to teach you that before starting your practical lessons, you need to take care of module number 1 and also the other modules which I will teach you later on. So these modules are exactly aligned with the requirements of CBR examiners, and you need to test and practice your abilities while driving with your instructor based on these modules. And if you will test your abilities, these modules have proven success in the first attempt. Many candidates have passed their driving exam in the first attempts who has followed these modules. So let's start the module number 1. The module number 1 is about your car. Why it is about your car? Because the car, if you know the condition of your car, if you know all the functions of your car, that knowledge will contribute towards the safe driving. So it is very important, and it is basically checked by the examiner while you are giving the practical exam. So before going into the detail, I will like to tell you that I have prepared a module number 1. The PDF of module number 1 is present in the description and comment section. You can click the link and download that document, and you will be able to read it in detail. So also please like and subscribe my channel. So let's start the module number 1 about our car. So there are two important things to be considered in our car is the condition of your car and the systems which are present in your car. So when we talk about the condition of your car, it means that you must see either there are some leaks present in the car, what is the condition of fluids, tires itself and tire pressure, lights which also include the indicators and headlights. So for that, what you need to do is make a round around your car, because when you will make a round around your car, you will be able to see immediately the tire pressure, and also you will be able to see the condition of your lights and indicators as well. So there is a procedure to make a round around your car. If you are standing on the right side of the road, you need to make a round around your car from the front side, and then you can go back and then front, because it is a safer way to make a round. And then see, if you will make a round, you will be able to see if there is any leakages, because those leakages will give their imprints on the ground. You can see the tire pressure, and the tire pressure should be between 2.1 to 2.5 bars. Any leakages on the ground, tread depth, it should be 1.6 mm, because it is possible that you are driving someone else's car for the first time and you need to see the tread depth. Then comes opening the bonnet, and you should see the engine oil, what is the brake oil, condition of the coolant, windscreen fluid is full or not. Check the indicators and headlights, because these are very important things to drive safely on the Dutch roads. At the end, you must see if you are driving someone else's car, either the MOT is okay, car registration is there, and car insurance is there or not. So after explaining these things, you would have a question in your mind that how this is judged while the exam. So questions which examiners usually ask are, they will ask you before starting the driving and before you are approaching the car, they will ask you to read the number plate of any car which is present in the parking area of the CBR examination center, and that car will be present at the some distance. By this way, he wants to check either you are able to see from some distance or not, because it is very important for the safe driving. Then he will ask you to he will see how you are entering the car. So if you are approaching the car, and if you see, just have a look on the tires, left side tires and on the right side tires, and then if you go inside, that will give a very positive impression that he knows the basics of the safe driving. You are applying basically the rule of looking the condition of your car, so it will give a positive impression. Also, when you will sit inside the car or you are present outside the car, he may ask you to open that bonnet, and he will ask you about different things like fluid pressure, engine oil like windscreen fluid, coolant, where's the battery, and how to check the engine oil level. So he may ask you all these things. He may ask you about the tire pressure, and he may ask you about the MOT of the car registration, car controls, and he may ask you about the functions of the car on the dashboard. Different signs are given, and he will say that how you will operate these signs and what are the meanings of those signs. So after these will ask you these 4 or 5 things before starting the driving examination. Basically, it is a part of your exam. It is a very first part of your exam. And if you pass that part of the exam, this is the very first impression which you will be building in the mind of the examiner. It will not only add up to your overall score, but it will give the examiner a very good first impression. So it is very important. So always practice with your driving instructor. Whenever you take the lessons, what you need to see is the examiners normally see and they write in your report if you don't follow these things that this guy has not the good knowledge of the car controls, and he does not have the habit of visualizing the condition of his car. And because you don't have the habit of doing this, so even if you are a good driver, you may cause an accident. So it is very important, and you need to build the impression in the examiner's mind. So always practice it with your driving instructor, unless and until he says that yes, you have a good habit of seeing the condition of your car, you have control, and you know all the things. You can open the bonnet, you can see where the different things are present, you can see which controls of your car are. And if you pass that thing and you make the habit and you deliver that thing on the examination day, you will definitely pass your exam. So this was the first part of your exam. So this was module 1, and the people who want to study in detail the detailed document about the module 1, the car condition and systems, that is the link of the to download that PDF is given in the description as well as in the comment section. So you can download that document from there and get more knowledge. So please like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions, any suggestions, please give your comments and I will try to answer your questions. Thank you very much. Until the next video, I will upload my next video next week for the module number 2. Until then, bye bye. Take care.